In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Davinci Resolve Project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a .drp project archive into Davinci Resolve, where to find the controls, and what to expect once it's in your project library. Start by launching Davinci Resolve from your desktop or Applications folder. If Resolve opens straight into a project you were working on, that's okay. To get to the project manager, look to the bottom right corner of the interface and click the home icon. It looks like a little house and takes you out to the library where all your projects live. If Resolve already opens to the project manager, you're exactly where you need to be. In the project manager, find the import icon. Depending on your version, it appears in the toolbar and typically looks like a downward arrow or a tray with an arrow. Click that icon to begin importing. You can also think of this as restoring a project from an exported backup. A file browser will open. Navigate to the .drp file you want to bring in, select it, and click Open. A.drp is a Davinci Resolve Project export file, essentially a snapshot of your project's structure. Resolve will add that project to your current library, preserving your bins, timelines, edits, grades, keyframes, markers, and other project data. You should see the project appear in the grid or list view of the project manager shortly after the import finishes. Here's an important note about what a.drp includes and what it doesn't. The .drp contains project data only. It does not include your original media files. That means your footage, audio, and graphics need to be available on your system or attached storage. If the media has moved since the project was exported, maybe it's on a different drive letter or in a renamed folder, Resolve may prompt you to relink. Just make sure you know where your media lives, ideally in the same folder structure it had when the project was created. A consistent folder layout and drive name makes relinking fast and painless. If you don't immediately see the imported project, double-check that you're viewing the correct library in the project manager. The import lands in whichever library is active at the time. Keeping project names clear and dates in file names can also help you spot the correct one quickly. That's all there is to it. Launch Resolve. Go home to the project manager, click the import icon, and choose your DRP. With your media accessible, you'll be ready to pick up right where the project left off.